Hi all, welcome to Coastr's feature update. I am Sapna, a software engineer intern at Coastr. We are committed to delivering innovative solutions that enhance your fleet management experience. This September, we are excited to introduce updated designs to improve efficiency, streamline operations, and provide even greater value for your business. Elevon Payment Partner Integration. First, we have expanded our payment integration suite by partnering with Elevon. Alongside Stripe, you now have the flexibility to choose between payment processors on the Coastr platform, allowing for secure card payments and pay by link transactions with lower fees and enhanced customer experience. Booking decline notification. Communication is key, and our new booking decline notification feature automatically informs your customers when a booking is declined. This ensures clear, timely updates, improving transparency in your customer interactions. Enhanced PCN handling. Managing penalty charges just got easier with our enhanced PCN handling. Now you can view additional fields like the date of the offense on the PCN listing page, helping you manage penalty charges more effectively. MOT reminder fixes. MOT reminder fixes are here to help you focus on what matters. You will now see only vehicles with upcoming MOTs when clicking on reminders, keeping your dashboard clutter-free and relevant. Trailer MOT updates. Keeping your trailers compliant is simpler with our new trailer MOT update feature, allowing you to upload MOT information directly on the platform, ensuring smooth operations and accurate record keeping. Service scheduling for customers. Your customers can now schedule vehicle services directly from the customer portal Max. This enhancement gives them more control while streamlining the service scheduling process. Bulk vehicle checkout enhancement. We have improved the bulk vehicle checkout process, enabling you to check out vehicles individually while standardizing the billing cycle for all vehicles in the booking. This makes the rental process more efficient and seamless. Enhanced vehicle data tracking. Enhanced vehicle data tracking now lets you monitor tire depth, engine hours, and electrical hours for refrigerated trailers, ensuring safety and optimizing maintenance schedules. Vehicle search filter update. Booking just got easier with our vehicle search filter update. The system now retains your selected vehicle even when applying new filters, making the booking process smoother and more user-friendly. Draft invoice visibility update. Draft invoice visibility has been improved. Now only finalized invoices are visible to your customers, ensuring professionalism and clarity in your communications. Optimized vehicle scheduler. Our optimized vehicle scheduler helps you intelligently allocate resources and routes, reducing cost and ensuring time deliveries, maximizing fleet efficiency. Optimized dashboard experience. Experience our optimized dashboard with critical information presented more clearly, allowing you to make quick, informed decisions with ease. Configurable MOT reminder duration. With our new configurable MOT reminder duration, you can personalize MOT reminders according to your schedule, ensure timely maintenance notification, and fit your needs. Separate MOT and text checks. Stay compliant with our separate MOT and text checks. Now you will receive distant alerts for MOT and text expiries, helping you avoid fines and maintain road safety. Enhanced vehicle details. And finally, enhanced vehicle details now include next PMI and next BRT dates, giving you better reporting and supporting more informed decision making. These are just few of the ways Coastr is working to inform your fleet management experience. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, reach out to your account manager for any questions. Thank you for choosing Coastr. Stay tuned for more updates next month.